In this video, you are going to learn about pair of linear equations in two variables. Now, you are thinking of purchasing some pencils and pens, and you go to a shop with your friend. You purchased 3 pencils and 2 pens. Together, it cost rupees 19, whereas your friend purchased 5 pencils and 3 pens. Together, it cost rupees 30. Now you come back to home and you want to find the cost of one pencil and that of one pen. How will you solve this problem? So this is in the statement form. You have to convert this into the mathematical form, that is in the form of equation. Now you don't know the cost of one pen, so let the cost of one pen is equal to x. It can be any variable. Let the cost of one pencil is equal to y. So you purchased 2 pens. So cost of 2 pens is 2x. And you purchased 3 pencils. So cost of 3 pencils will be y plus y, that is 3y. So how will you write the equation now? 3 pencils means 3y plus 2 pens, that is 2x, is equal to 19. Now what is the cost of 5 pencils? 5 pencils cost is 5y. What is the cost of 3 pens? 3 pens will cost 3x. So the equation is 5y plus 3x is equal to 30. Now you got the two equations. These equations are called linear equations in two variables. These are called linear equations because these are the equations with degree 1. Degree means highest power of the variable. Here power of the variable is 1. Therefore, these are the equations of degree 1. Therefore, they are called linear. They are equations because there is equal sign. Here there are two variables, x and y. Therefore, these are called linear equations in two variables. You are going to learn to find the value of x and y later. So what is the definition of linear equation in two variable? An equation which can be put in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 are called linear equations in two variables. And there are some conditions. Here a, b, c are real numbers. They can be any numbers. A, b, c are real numbers. You can put any number in the place of a, b and c. And second condition is a and b are not both 0. A and b should not be equal to 0. What happens if a becomes 0? Then this becomes a linear equation in one variable. If b is equal to 0, then also it becomes linear equation in one variable. Therefore, a and b are not both 0. This type of equations are called linear equations in two variables. Let us see an example. Now 2x plus y is equal to 7 is a linear equation. How to write in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0? Bring 7 to the left side. Now standard form of this equation is 2x plus y minus 7 is equal to 0. So now compare with the general form of the equation. What is the value of a? That is 2. Value of b is 1. Value of c is minus 7. You have to write 3 more examples for linear equation in 2 variable and write the value of a, b and c so that you understand better. Now let us see how to find the solution of linear equation in 2 variable. How to find the solutions. Take an equation 2x plus y is equal to 7. Here you have to put any value for x and you have to find the value of y. Or you can put any value for y and you have to find the value of x. Now if I put x is equal to 1, then the equation becomes 2 into 1 plus y is equal to 7. That is 2 plus y is equal to 7. 2 into 1 is 2. Now how to solve this equation? 2 plus what is equal to 7? Take 2 to the right side. Y is equal to 7 minus 2. That is y is equal to 5. This is the one solution. When x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 5. Let us see one more solution. If x is equal to 2, what happens? Then 2 into 2 plus y is equal to 7. 2 into 2 is 4 plus y is equal to 7. Now how to solve this? 4 plus what is equal to 7? 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So take 4 to the right side. Y is equal to 7 minus 4. That is y is equal to 3. So these are the two solutions. You can find many more solutions for this linear equation in 2 variables. Therefore, 1, 5 and 2, 3 are the two solutions of the given equation. You can find infinitely many solutions for this linear equation. Now, what is the geometrical representation of a linear equation in 2 variable? How it looks like in a graph sheet? Take the same example, 2x plus y is equal to 7. Here we found out two solutions. They are 1, 5 and 2, 3. Now take a graph sheet, plot the points. First point is 1, 5. That is 1, 5, that will be here. So next point is 2, 3. That is here. So this point is 2, 3. Now join these points. So the graph of linear equation in 2 variable is a straight line. See, there are many solutions. There are many points on the line. These are all the solutions of a linear equation in 2 variable. The points which lie on the line are the solutions of the linear equation in 2 variable. These are all the solutions of 2x plus y is equal to 7. 5, 1 is not a solution because it does not lie on the line. The points which lie on the line are the solution of the given linear equation. So graph of linear equations in two variables is a straight line. Every solution of the equation is a point on the line representing it. If it is a solution of the equation, then it is a point on the line representing it. So every solution xy of a linear equation in two variables, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Correct here, it is equal to 0. Correspond to a point on the line representing the equation and vice versa. Easily, we can say like this. If it is a solution, then it is a point on the line. If it is not solution, then it is not a point on the line. If the point lies on the line, then it is a solution. So let us come for pair of linear equations in two variables. What do you mean by pair? Pair means two. There should be two equations. Pair of linear equations in two variables. So let us see the general form. You know the general form of linear equation in two variable, that is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So general form of pair of linear equations in two variables, that is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. And your pair means there will be two equations. So a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. This is the general form of pair of linear equations in two variables. Here a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 are any real numbers. You can write any number in the place of a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2. Let us write an example. Here pair means you have to write two equations together. I'll write x plus 3y is equal to 4 and 2x minus y is equal to 5. This is one pair of linear equations in two variable. Write one more pair. 2x minus 5y is equal to 4 and 3x minus 4y is equal to 5. You can take any two equations together. Write two more example for pair of linear equations in two variables. Now how they look like geometrically. What is the geometrical representation of pair of linear equation in two variables? Here pair means there are two equations. So you will get two straight lines. How they look like? Either they will intersect at one point or they may be parallel to each other or they coincide. Here you cannot see two lines because one line is above the other. So that means they coincide. If we draw the graph of linear equations into variables, they intersect at one point or they are parallel or they are coincident.